What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Let me just get out of this parking lot real quick. We're gonna go ahead and just take the long way home. Okay. Been driving this car about 100 miles a day, and it's been fine. Nothing's been going wrong. I've been checking my oil. It doesn't seem like it's actually been draining. I've been staying away from VTEC as much as I can. It's been different. I did notice that my MAF coupler is starting to crack, at least from the top of it, so I can't tell how it is on the other side. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out in a bit. But I'm gonna go home, relax for a bit. I've worked 7 days straight. Now it's Monday, and I know a lot of you guys have heard. I know a lot of you guys actually pay attention to what I say. But I started a new job. I actually picked up another country club job at pretty much in Santa Monica. I live in Oxnard, California, so that's about 50 miles one way. So a good roughly 100 miles daily. The cool thing about it and the bad thing about it is that I get to drive the PCH every day, you know, and I mean cool and bad because, you know, it's the PCH. Who doesn't want to drive that every day? But it also puts mileage on your cars. Like, I'm at 119,000, almost 120,000 miles. When I got this car, back when I used to work in the next city over, I only drove it like maybe 20 miles daily to work and back. Then I picked up another job that was like a 50-mile trip, and I started to build a lot of, oh, okay, you're gonna, all right, go ahead, get in. Never mind. Oh, okay, you are getting in. Gosh. Then I started to drive 50 miles daily, 25 one way, 25 back, and that's when I started to rack up miles. I actually passed 100,000 this year. So I've already put almost 20,000 miles in 1 year. Actually, yeah, about 100,000, about 100, I've actually put in about 20,000 miles in 1 year, which to a lot of people that's normal, but to me that's a lot. Doing the math for this job right now, I would be putting about 27 to 28,000 miles in 1 year. And that's of me just driving to work. So that doesn't like involve any other driving and whatnot. I still have all my current mods, so I'm gonna suck it up and just drive this one for a little while longer. I want to say around tax season, when I get my taxes in, I'm gonna be looking into buying not a beater, but not like a new car. I've actually considered getting an R18, like another 8th gen. Don't care if it's a coupe or sedan, just so I can daily and I can have this one on the side for fun. Or even getting like an EM3, or so long as I can get, or like, you know, like that would be dope. Or even pick up my Prelude, you know, like something that I can drive on the side and I won't beat on this car as much as I should. Because I don't think I'm going to be moving over there anytime soon, just because it's not convenient in California. Rent is really expensive. As far as I know, the main goal right now is to get a second car so that I can drive that to work and back, and I can actually work on this one on the side. But that also involves seeing how much I need to pay more for insurance, seeing if my apartment complex is going to allow me to have a second car, you know, stuff like that. Because right now I already have 3 cars in my apartment. It's mine, my girl's, and my well, her sister, but I just say my sister. So we already have 3 cars. I also just got sick and I'm getting better, so I wanted to film something a couple days ago, like in between shifts and on my way driving to work and whatnot, so you guys can see it. But I got sick because it's a lot of outside labor, and like in the cold on carts and the wind hitting you and you're sweating, like, dude, like it got me hard. So hold on, so that sucks, but just wanted to keep you guys informed. And yeah, so I'm gonna go home right now, and then we're gonna go ahead and look under the hood and check that coupler. Okay, disregard how dirty it is, do not mind that. but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to take that off, take those off, take those off, so I can take that out. See how it's cracking a little bit right there? So I wanna take it out and see. I already have a new one, so I'm gonna go ahead and just replace it regardless, even if it wasn't cracking all the way. Cool thing about this, adapter on adapter, to make your life a lot easier when you're doing these type of work. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start taking all of it off. All right, I got the new one in. I'll go ahead and show you that one up in the house, but I'm gonna go ahead and connect it. I'm gonna turn it on, and we're just gonna make sure that like no lights pop off and everything, you know? So that's good. Everything's tight and secure, and we should go. Also, I'm considering getting a new intake manifold and a bigger throttle body. Honestly, maybe Skunk too, just because to make a match, you know, I think it would be cool. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. I mean, you guys actually teach me more than anything else. Good. I don't want to rev it too much. Putting it away, I realized that these weren't even on, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these up. But we're good, guys. I actually saw it. Don't be mad. Gotham, what do you think of this? Where are you going? Come here. Come here. There, look. Get it. See? Don't. Hey, sit. Oh, you're such a good boy. It's not a toy. I'm not gonna give it to you. I'm sorry. All right, so let me just put it. That way. Oh shit. Okay, so it was starting to rip. That's weird. Doesn't look like it was ripped in the inside though. But I mean, still, it was kind of good. I saw it and I kind of, cause this is where I saw, oh my God, that's bad. This is where I saw it from. And that was behind it. Okay, so it was like spreading around. Eventually this was gonna crack. I don't think it would have done that much damage, but still, being on the safe side, it was only like 30 bucks or so to replace. Are you okay? Lay down. Good boy. But anyways, hey. I'd rather have you guys look at him than me. Sit. No? Shake. Okay, good boy. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. I am looking into getting a second car, like a little beater, something that's easier for me to like drive there and back, because I really don't want to get rid of my car. I love it. I have a lot of plans for it, and I'm almost done. So it's gonna be sick. Also, I've been thinking about getting another retune just because. Kind of want to throw a little backfires, if you know what I mean. So I've been thinking about going back to Dardon. I'll be hitting up soon. But if I'm gonna go back, I kind of want to also get like a new manifold and a bigger throttle body, and actually throw in my RDX injectors, because I still have them. They're just not like on the car. So I was looking at the Skunk 2 intake manifolds, and probably just a Skunk 2 throttle body, just to have them, you know, match, since I have the Skunk 2 intake. But what do you guys think? I know you can go ahead and port your throttle bodies, but I don't know how I feel about sending mine to get port, if that's like my only car, you know what I mean? Also, there is an E85 station down the block from my house now. It's a Shell, so I would love to swap to 85, but not if that car is my daily. So if I possibly do end up getting a second car, oh my God, those eyes used to have so much camber. if I do end up getting a second car, then I'll possibly even do a E85 swap. I know it's a little distracting, but there's a little video to share with you guys. But let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace. Bye, Gotcham.